So my next guest today is Jayne Carthy from Absolute EMS in Santa Clara.
Yes, Trevor. Pleasure to be here.
Okay, good to see you again. Okay, so you've got one of the most modern EMS companies in the Valley, really.
Absolutely correct.
Literally state-of-the-art equipment. It's a pleasure to always go there. But you've so tell me what's been happening recently, because you've recently got some more accreditations, and you've got some other exciting news. So,
well, at the show today, for example, we were given 2 awards. An award for customer service, which is very, very difficult to win because your customers grade you on that.
Yeah.
And an award that's also difficult to win, and it's the most improved smart factory. And I think the beauty for us in this is because our lines go down to the tightest tolerances in the world, in the industry right now.
Right.
In fact, these components are currently in labs, but they're coming. They're going to come where weight and space matter on drones, on satellites. We place the largest BGAs in the industry, and everything is touchless, as you know when you went through there.
Yeah.
So if we're building one prototype, or if we're building 5,000, it runs through the same process. It runs through the SPI, the AOI, the nitrogen oven, touchless, completely touchless, all the way through the process.
Right.
So our quality is good, and we're proud of it.
Absolutely. Well, the fewer people who touch it, the higher your quality is going to be.
You can introduce an error, and we work to avoid that.
Absolutely. So you've also had a good news on another accreditation today. So tell us a little bit about that.
Okay. Our ITAR certification came through today. So we're really excited about this, and it opens up a new vertical, a new portfolio. We do a lot of military work, non-ITAR military work. All of our employees that touch the boards are certified to J standard, and and class 3 manufacturing is quite common in the factory. So now we have the official ITAR certification. So we're excited to bring this to market.
Good. And so tell me a little bit, is business strong for you at the moment? Are you finding it?
Business is good. It slows down a little bit in the last couple of weeks, but I'm finding that's common with everybody that I've spoken to in these election years. They get a little wild, but for the most part, we've had a very excellent year.
Excellent. So. That's great. And you've added some extra staff as well on the sales teams and things like that as well.
Yeah. We've had 2 new amazing additions join the team.
Great. Great. Super. Well, it's always great to hear. So what are your plans going forward? Have you got anything sort of big things lined up for next year?
Next year is going to be a big year for us. We have additional sales resources. These guys are amazing. They're hitting the ground running. We have the ITAR in place, so we'll expand into the government certified type of work, and our customers are growing. Yeah. So we feel very, very optimistic about next year, 2025.
Well, we'll look forward to hearing more about it sometime next year.
Yeah, I will be here. Thank you.
Why do something 3 times when you can do it only once? Using N1 Pass technology, BTU's new Profile Tracer is a next-generation thermal profiling tool, providing real-time data acquisition for oven optimization. It identifies inconsistencies due to temperature variables at both the product level and the heat source. Profile Tracer measures dual temperature locations as well as vibration, all in one pass, giving you time to attend the more important things in life.